Okay, we have earthquake right now, and this is actually moving. Can you see the cracks moving? That crack was not there. There's, the whole earth is moving. I felt like I was drunk. I could see different parts. I can, ooh, wow. There was water just coming up right there in the ground. And the ground is just swaying right now. I don't know if you can see this on video. That crack is getting bigger and smaller, going back and forth. And there is water coming up all over in the park right now. This crack is just moving. There's water. I don't know if water lines are broken, but this water was not there a minute ago. It's coming up different places. Here it's coming up through the sidewalk. The buildings were making a racket. I seriously thought I was sick first because I didn't know what was going on. I could just feel like I was disoriented, stepping over another crack. I wouldn't be surprised if the trains are not running anymore. I'm on my way to the train station. We've got a little lake, and here's a huge crack. And it's still moving. It's just going back and forth, swaying. It's making me kind of nervous. Especially since this is reclaimed land that I'm on right now. This used to be part of Tokyo Bay. And they created this land by throwing landfill and mountains, rocks out here. And so this land could just go potentially. I don't know. There's quite a few people in the park, and they don't seem too worried. They're not running away. Interesting park. The sombrero and the huge clock. And Baytown skyscrapers behind it.